Hi, it's Kathy Fissori with the Fissori Real Estate team here at Keller Williams Realty Central Coast. Thanks to Marie Kondo and her hit Netflix series Tidying Up, home organization is a hot topic. Marie encourages her viewers to minimize their possessions and keep only those items that will spark joy. With spring right ahead of us, now is the perfect time to do some spring cleaning and add organizational systems to your home. Not only will you clear out the clutter, your efforts can actually help increase the value of your home. So you ready to give it a try? Okay, so here are 6 home organizational ideas that will spark joy for you and your property value. So number 1, boost bathroom storage capacity. Inexpensive additions can streamline your morning routine and net you 102% return at the sale of your home. Number 2, upgrade your laundry room. Just a few simple tweaks here and there can turn this chore into a score. 3, customize your closet. I don't know about you, but I always need some help with this one. The key to an organized closet is to give every item type its own space. Surveyed homeowners actually gave their closet remodels a joy score of 10 out of 10, which is higher than kitchen or bath upgrades. Interesting. Number 4, install built-in bookcases and cabinets. Did you know that built-ins actually give your home a high-end look? They also provide an attractive place to share and display items. And number 5, equip your garage. If you can no longer get your car into the garage, it may be time for a big clean out. Install overhead racks, wall racks, and pegboards to organize your tools and your gear. You'll be pulling your car into the garage in no time, and buyers will notice that. Number 6, fully utilize your basement or attic if you have one. The basement and attic renovations can actually give you a 60 to 70% return when it's time to sell. So if you're searching for service providers to help you with your spring cleaning or home organizational skills, let us know. We can connect you with our trusted network of local home improvement providers and professionals. Call us today and let us know how we can help. We'll get you tidy and get you sparking joy before you know it. So once again, this is Kathy Fissori with the Fissori Real Estate team here at Keller Williams Realty. You can always call or text me at area code 805-540-4866. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.